Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Let's make some Three Bridges family size grilled chicken and mozzarella ravioli. For Canteen cup cooking. Or I guess Canteen's cup. Alright, so you can actually see the sauce like popping along. So give it a little shake stir. Check the minutes on my pasta boil. Oh, it's actually been 5 minutes, so it should be done. Or it should be hot. Well, it just says a gentle boil, so yeah, those look like they're done. Cool. Alright, so there's my water. What I can do is I can drain it in my cups. But one, I can use the water to wash them out, and then two, I don't have to worry about going outside in the cold and draining off my pasta. Oh, win-win. There we go. That's what she looks like. Now let's pour in the sauce. Alright. What are you looking for, puppy?
Food.
There we go. Well, didn't brown the canteen at all, so. There we go. And of course, no pasta is complete without some Parmesan cheese. I'll make sure I don't melt Fernbark's freezer. I got a little Parmesan cheese in here, a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of Old Bay. And there we go. Some garlic bread would be nice, but there we go. Come on, autofocus. Let's taste it.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Alright, I've actually had this a number of times, but just warm it up in the water. It's good to go.
It's just a ravioli?
Yeah.
Alright on. Looks good. It smells amazing. I don't want to burn my mouth so much.
Huh.
There you go.
All I'm basically doing is just heating them up in hot water, so
Yeah.
when they're pre-cooked, pre-formed, bring out a little sauce.
Really hot.
Yeah.
I got the pug below me like angling for the best chance at a... Sorry. Not sorry.
Now, are they going to hold still this time? Yeah, our audience right here, not wanting to miss a single bite. Yeah, not bad. The whole pack was about $5.
Mm-hmm.
I already ate half of it, so I know about $2.50. And then the sauce, you could use Alfredo, you could use mozzarella.
The camera wasn't on.
You could probably even use soup if you liked it. So. I could really use some garlic bread, but I'm gonna call that a win. Pretty good stuff. Alright guys, as always, appreciate you watching, and we'll check you out in the next one. Peace.
Well, ate it right down to the you a little space here. Get your spoon.
Got a convenient little cup too. If I need it.
Yeah, want to pour some in your cup? I can do that.
Yeah, you can throw a couple spoonfuls. Oh, I can just throw a few spoonfuls in there. I'll crap out.
All right, me and Mark from Eat Carbs Outdoors are going to try this. I need to really actually research the country this came from because I don't remember. Go ahead, throw some in there.
All right.
It's been stewing for about half an hour. Smells pretty good.
All right. I'm not in.
Alright, I'm going to blow on this and then I'll come back.
Here's a Fernbark stew. Check out the description for his channel.
Kind of hot.
Yeah, it's not super hot.
Okay, so I turned the camera off because I was afraid of Fernbark in this, and it's not really very hot. Maybe at the bottom I got to stir it a little more.
It does taste good though.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
A real tomato flavor, and
Nice beefy. Nice chunks of beef too.
yeah, I think it has the buckwheat like we had on the kasha.
Yeah, it tastes nothing like kasha though.
No, there's a lot of tomato.
Yeah.
It's really good. I should have thrown a little pepper in there. Anyhow.
Yeah, pepper would have been good.
Mm-hmm. We'll be back.
Nice big piece of bread with some butter on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that tastes good. Really
Yeah,
good.
it's not bad at all.
I would see myself eating that on a camp out.
Look at those coals in there. Tell me you don't load those coals.
Oh, those are nice coals.
That is straight heat.
Oh yeah. Cool.
You're starting to warm up. You're taking the coat off.
Yeah, a little bit.